everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to contact NetSpend. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you need to contact NetSpend customer service representative to answer any question you may have about the NetSpend prepaid card, then the first thing to do is to open up a web browser and make sure to get to the official web page of NetSpend. Once you open up the web browser, go to the URL box and type in www.netspend.com and press enter in order to get to the official site. From the official web page, click on Help and Support link appearing at the top of the screen. Click on the Contact Us link at the top right, and now you can easily contact customer service representative of netspend.com by selecting one of the options. You can choose to email them by logging into your online account by clicking on this link that says Log into the Online Account Center, log into your NetSpend account, and you can then contact them right away. You can also send inquiries to this email address that says customerservice@netspend.com. Simply open up your email and send your inquiries on this email address in order to contact them directly via email. You can also contact NetSpend by calling on this number displayed on the screen. If you want to mail them, then select the last option. The NetSpend Corporation postbox number will be displayed right here. That is how you can easily contact netspend.com customer service representative if you have any question or problems you'd want to talk to them about your NetSpend prepaid cards. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.